Lord Shivji told how the fortune of a brother who accepts his brother's share get ruined. Once Mother Parvati said to Lord Shiva, "O Lord, today a question is arising in my mind. If you satisfy me by answering my question, then my mind will get a lot of peace." Then Lord Shiva says, "O goddess, what question is in your mind?" Then Mother Parvati says, "O Lord, what kind of karma of a brother who usurps the share of his brother breaks out, due to which there is enmity between brother and brother becomes the enemy of brother?" My dear friends, Lord Shiva says, "O Parvati, this question of yours is very important, and whoever understands the answer of this question and adopts this sufficient knowledge in his life, he gets happiness in life." Then friends, Lord Shiva says, "Goddess Parvati, now I am going to give you the answer to your question through a small story. Through this story, you will be able to understand the answer to this question properly. But I have one condition. You have to listen to the story carefully till I narrate this story." Then Mother Parvati started saying, "Lord, I promise you that I will listen to this story with full heart and dedication. Please start that story." So friend, I request all of you to listen to this story completely. Listening to it half-heartedly is considered a sin. Before starting the story, please write Har Har Mahadev in the comment. Friends, there lived a Seth in a city. He had two sons. The elder son was clever and dishonest. The younger son was of a simple nature. The Seth had no shortage of money. In this way, the Seth was living his life happily with his family. At the same time, a time comes when the Seth dies. Then, after the death of the Seth, the elder son of the Seth thought in his mind that now father is no more in this world, the property should be divided between the two brothers. Then the elder son of the Seth called his younger brother for division and said that father is no more in this world, so the property should be divided between both of us, so that the people of the society cannot say that the elder brother did not give the share of the younger brother. Now you do one thing. Let's sit together and eat food before the division. After that, we will divide the property." Friends, Lord Shiva says, "O Parvati, in this way, both the brothers ate food together, and then the younger brother replied to his older brother, "Brother, you should have done the division. You could have given me my share. You could have kept the rest. What was the need to call me?" Then the elder son of the city started saying, "No, brother, I cannot bear to hear that the elder brother has taken the share of the younger brother." Then, friends, Lord Shiva says, "Parvati, in this way, the elder son of the Seth starts the division and decorates two plates with food items. One plate had more sweets, so that plate looked empty, while the other plate had papad, rice, bhujia, etc. So that the plate which looked empty had precious sweets, milk, pak malai, barfi, etc. in it." And then, after decorating the plates, the elder son of the Seth told his younger brother, "Take the plate of whatever food you want." Because the elder son of the Seth wanted to know what his younger brother gives importance to at the time of division. Does he like to take more goods, or does he like to take less goods? Since the younger son of the Seth did not like to eat sweets much, so he picked up the plate containing papad and bhujia and said, "Brother, I like to eat this, and saying this, the younger brother started eating food. In this way, the elder son of the Seth understood that my younger brother wants more goods. He is greedy. That is why he has taken the plate filled with more food. Now the division will be fun. And then, thinking this, the elder son of the Seth thought of a new trick for division, a new and then after eating food both the brothers reached the room, and then the elder brother divided the household goods into two parts, and then he asked his younger brother, which item for these things do you want? Listening to his elder brother, the younger brother pointed towards the staff kept in front of him. On one side were the valuable household items, and on the other side were the items which looked more expensive but were ordinary items. Seeing the distribution of the items in this manner, the younger son of the merchant thought that the elder brother does not have all these valuable items. I already have them. What will I do with them? Therefore, all the valuable items which are used in the household remain with Bhai Sahab, because Bhai Sahab family is also big. And thinking this, the younger son of the merchant pointed towards the big pill and said, brother, I want this big pill. Then the elder son of the merchant smiled and said, as you wish. Then don't say that the elder brother did not do the distribution properly. And then the elder son of the merchant started smiling at the cleverness. At the same time, the elder son of the merchant was thinking that I am making my younger brother mad by chanting him because he now that he has received more valuable items. Here the younger brother was happy because the elder brother's family was big and he was helping his elder brother. Then Lord Shiva says, Parvati, here the elder son of the merchant take the division forward and ties two bundles. And then the elder brother says to his younger brother, now pick whichever of these two piles you like. In both these bundles there are the jewels of the mother. While listening to the elder brother, the younger brother inspected both the bundles one by one. He saw that one bundle was heavy and the other bundle was light. Then he thought that elder brother are elders, so they should get a bigger share because the elder brother family is big. And then thinking like this, the younger brother say to the elder brother, brother, you are elder, your family is big, so you keep the bigger bundle. Then Lord Shiva says, Parvati, the elder brother used to think that the elder one always carries the god goods. So the elder brother kept light silver items in the bigger bundle, whereas precious jewels were kept in the smaller bundle. Then, as soon as the elder brother thought that the smaller bundle was slipping out of his hands, he said to his younger brother, no, no, brother, you take the bigger bundle. Then the younger brother said, no, brother, you are the elder one, you have a right on the bigger thing. And saying, so the younger brother kept the smaller bundle. Then seeing such a scan of the elder son of the merchant was surprised because he had kept silver jewelry in the bigger bundle and gold jewelry in the smaller bundle, because he now that the younger brother would get greedy and pick up the bigger bundle, in which the silver jewelry would go to him and the gold jewelry would come to her. But here everything went the opposite. Then friends, Lord Shiva says Parvati, on this the elder son of the merchant said to his younger brother, this time you should divide, otherwise people will say that the elder brother has cheated the younger brother by dividing, because the elder brother thought that if the younger brother divides, then I will take it. But here the younger brother had a soft heart. He wanted the welfare of the elder brother because the elder brother had more children. That why the younger brother wanted more of the elder brother should get the share. So he took his elder brother to his religious house and told his elder brother, brother, this is our religious house. Father built it after you left. Then the elder son of the Seth saw that there are two more houses and a three-story building. On the other side there is a gate to go inside from near a shop that is on one side there are two shops along with the Baba Manjil building. On the other side there is a shop and a gate to go behind. Friends, then Lord Shiva says Parvati, the elder brother did not want to be cheated like the jewelry. So he said to the younger brother, you tell me which part I should take. Then the younger brother started saying, brother, in my opinion, you should take the other part. While listening to the words of the younger brother, the elder brother starts thinking, this is like chatting, this is like cheating. Your elder brother, even though you are the younger brother, he himself wants to grab the multi story house and two shops. Thinking this, the elder brother said to the younger brother, my family is big, so I want to take this part of the multi-story house. In this way, after listening to the elder brother, the younger brother said, brother, before taking the share, you should see the other part once, because the younger brother was thinking in his mind that the elder brother should get a bigger share, because in the other part there were 8 houses and a large farm. Also there were a lot of cattle, so the elder brother's family will be able to live well, and I will also get a chance to help my elder brother. Thinking this, the younger brother says to his elder brother, the brother, go and see the other part once and then decided which part you want to take. Then friends, Lord Shiva says Parvati, the brother who is dishonest and does not keep clean instance towards his brother, good takes away his wisdom. And then the elder son of the Seth got upset and he started thinking that the younger brother wants to cheat him. So the elder brother said, I do not want to see anything. This second part is yours, and the first part is with me will remain. The same sixth brother said, brother, think about it once and see, then don't say what happened. You want a bigger share, so you take this other share. The elder brother's brain was not working. He now that his multi-story house was better than a large piece of empty. So he did not listen to his younger brother and wrote the division of their respective shares in front of all the punches. Then, after the petition, the younger brother told the elder brother, I told him that you got a two-story house. Now you should also see my part. of the house once, and then saying this, the younger brother went inside the gate near the shop to show his part to the elder brother. The younger brother was ahead, the elder brother was following him, and then, as soon as the elder brother went inside the gate, he saw a large field behind the gate. Came there were 8 buildings in the front, and many cattle were also grazing. Then the elder brother was stunned to see such a sight and asked his younger brother, when did father buy this part? Then the younger brother said, Bhaiya, father brought it after you left. That is why I was telling you repeatedly that you are the elder one and you need a bigger part, but you did not agree. Then, friends, Lord Shiva says, Parvati, what could the elder brother do because the division had already been done? And then, seeing the place of the younger brother, the elder brother suddenly gets a heart attack and dies. Therefore, one should never cheat his brother's share, and those brothers who cheat his brother's share, their condition is like that of the elder son of the rich man. Friends, someone has rightly said, neither father nor brother is greater, money is the greatest. The saying is not from today but has been prevalent since long. Therefore, friends, one should always love his brother because there is nothing like a brother in the world. It is said that the house where love between brothers remains, that house becomes heaven. Therefore, friends, one should always live together with his brother. So, friends, I hope you liked this story, and if you are now to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.